Is industrial automation the future of manufacturing? Absolutely. But before you jump in, let's explore both sides of the coin, the benefits and challenges. Here are some of the benefits of automation. Increased efficiency and productivity. Automating repetitive tasks frees up your workforce for higher-level activities, boosting output. A factory floor with robots and humans working collaboratively. Enhanced quality control. Automation ensures consistent product quality, minimizing defects and enhancing customer satisfaction. Robots assembling products with high precision, reduced costs. Automation can optimize resource allocation, minimize waste, and lower energy consumption, leading to cost savings. Now let's explore a few challenges of automation. The initial investment. Implementing automated systems requires an upfront investment, but the long-term ROI is substantial. A leading automotive manufacturer partnered with JTC to automate their welding process. The results? A 30% increase in production and a 15% reduction in defects. Ready to explore the potential of automation for your business? JTC Industrial Solutions offers a comprehensive range of automation solutions tailored to your specific needs. We can help you achieve operational excellence, enhance quality, and improve your bottom line. Visit our website www.jtcs.com or contact us today for a free consultation.